Hello and welcome. Today, I'm excited to show you how to add a single variation product on WooCommerce. To begin, navigate to the Products option. But before we add the product, let's start by creating a category for it. Head over to Categories now. Let's add the name of our category. Since I'll be uploading a syrup, let's create a category named Cough Syrup. The slug, which is a URL-friendly version, is automatically defined below the option. Keep it in lowercase. You'll notice options for a parent category in a description, but for now, I'll skip these as I'm creating a standalone category. Keep the Products option on default settings. You can also include an image for the category. Once you're ready, click on Add New Category. As you can see, it has been successfully added. Now, head over to Products and click on Add New to start adding a new product. Provide a suitable name for your product and enter a detailed product description. This description serves as the long description and will be displayed below the product. Let me show you. Next, select a picture for your product and click on Set the image. If you have additional images for a product gallery, you can also add them at this point. For our upcoming product, choose the Variable Product option from the Product Type menu. If you're dealing with a straightforward product without variations, you can opt for the Simple Product type. Provide a unique SKU for your product and decide whether you want to track the quantity. Tracking quantity is optional but can be useful for inventory management. In the shipping section, you can add details such as weight and shipping classes if applicable. In the linked products section, you can showcase your upsell items to encourage additional purchases. Now, move on to the attributes, a crucial option. If you haven't created one already, add a new attribute. For example, let's call it bottle size. I have two sizes, 20 milliliters and 30 milliliters, and you can separate each size with a /. Once done, save the attributes. Now, head to Variations and generate them. You'll see both attributes listed. Assign each attribute its own SKU, set the regular price, and add any additional details like weight. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click Save Changes. Moving on to the Advanced Settings, you can add a purchase note for the customer and enable reviews. This allows you to provide additional information or special instructions for the buyer, enhancing the customer experience. Now, let's focus on the short description, which will be displayed next to the product and below the product title. Select the category we added in the previous step, and don't forget to add tags for better SEO. Click on Publish, and there you have it, your new product is now live. You can check it by clicking the link. Everything is updated, and the variations are there, each attribute changing the price of the product. Note that in variations, a customer cannot place an order unless they've selected the bottle size. Of course, you can customize your variations as needed.